Hi all, I have another cute puzzle challenge for you today. So black to play and win here. I wonder if you can find the first move. If I give you 10 whole seconds, or you might want to pause the video. So the 10-second count is starting now. Black to play and win. Okay, it's been about 10 seconds. If you haven't got it yet, there's a clue. You might want to do something with this pawn to sort of slice into these diagonals. So an extra bonus, a few seconds. Okay, I'm going to reveal now. It's Queen F3. It's the remarkable Queen F3. It threatens checkmate. And White had to resign here. If G takes F3, what would you play here? What's the key idea, you think? One important principle, you want to maintain the control of the escape squares generally to get that killer check, so that's a really important thing. So you do that here, you maintain this one on G2, if knight here, E5 takes F3 check. The king moves here, and the final move, which essentially forces checkmate in this particular disastrous configuration for White. Okay. It's bishop h3. Yeah, there's no way of stopping bishop g2. There's a spike check for sure, but after that, it's going to be checkmate whatever White does. So here, bishop g2. Let's put that on the board. So the knight is holding the bishop. This one's controlling g1. The king's got no escape. It's checkmate. So I hope you enjoyed this cute little one today. Maybe we can try, for a few of these, sprinkle them in before the main TSEC super final starts for the Leela Stockfish encounters, etc. That'll be fun soon. But I thought, yeah, let's go easy with some puzzles while that TSEC is brewing up. If you like this and you might want to challenge me for a game, check out Kingscrusher.tv. Register there and I'll be able to invite you for a game soon after, or bit.ly/chessworld. Okay. Comments, questions, likes, shares appreciated. Thanks very much.